Hello guys, welcome to Infinity Hack. Now we are going to know about how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox. For that, open browser and search for Kali Linux. www.kali.org. It is an official website to download the Kali Linux. Open this link to download Kali Linux. Here is a download button. Click on download button. It is directed into the download page. Here we see we have two options, bare metal and virtual machines. In virtual machines we have the limited support, so go for the bare metal. It has a complete operating system, it has a full features and full version. I recommend this to download in VirtualBox. Click on bare metal to download. If your system supports 32-bit, you can download in 32-bit. Maximum all the systems are in 64-bit. You can download in 60-bit, 64-bit. Linux ISO file consists of 2.8 GB. So you can download the ISO file. Click on download button. The Linux ISO file is downloading in file manager. After completion of your download ISO file, open VirtualBox. Now open VirtualBox. Click on new and type here Kali Linux. Here we have to change Linux to Debian 64-bit. Click on next and you have to change the memory size into maximum up to 2.5 GB. Click on create a virtual hard disk now. Click on VDI virtual disk image and select dynamically allocated. You have to allocate memory up to 100 GB and click on create. Now your VirtualBox is ready to run your ISO file. Click on settings and go to storage. Select the ISO file which you downloaded in the Linux. Click on OK. Now click on start button. Now your VirtualBox is ready to launch Linux operating system. Click on graphical install. The files are loading now. Wait for a couple of seconds to launch. Click on continue. Choose language. Here I am selecting my country. Click on OK. Click on continue. Now enter your host name. I am writing Kali. After that click on continue and give your domain name Kali. Click on continue. I am writing my name. Choose a password. Click on it. Select the option use entire disk and click on continue. And choose the option all files are in one partition. Click on OK. Click on continue. Choose the option yes. It is installing the base system of Linux. Now we get into the environment. GNOME and KDM Plasma are the very good environment for the Linux. I choose GNOME environment for my Linux operating system. Click on continue. The software was installing in VirtualBox. Click on GDM3 and click on continue. After installing the Linux software, you can also change the settings later.